Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today's video is going to be a very quick simple video on how I set up the dining table for Christmas. In this video I am not going to be showing you how I put together my centerpieces. It's pretty easy. It's just 2 points needed for these tables from Costco, and I just place them on the table. If you don't like the look of what this looks like, this paper, you can go ahead and kind of like get some plain vases and put them in. I didn't get the time to look for any of those, so we're just gonna do with this for this Christmas. I am not looking forward to keeping these. Once they die, I'm just gonna get rid of them. And then the centerpiece that I have in the middle, I drifted that and I renew it. I changed the ribbon here, and then I put some fake poinsettias that I used last time, so these are not real. I cut the leaves that were here. I didn't like the color. They were kind of like a burgundy. I didn't like it, so I went ahead and just cut all of them, and I placed these red ones. I'm not really a fan of the color red, so when I see red like this, it's a little bit overwhelming for me. That's the reason why I put just these two plants, and I put a little bit of red on that middle, and I'm done. I didn't want to do too much this year. I brought up some colors this year with the blue table napkins. You can go ahead and keep the style that you like. Other table napkins that I have for the holidays, either Christmas, beautiful snow on it, or this one that is like white and gold. I used this last year for Christmas and this one for New Year. I didn't want to use the same this year. I might reuse this one for Christmas, for New Year, because I really like it. This one is very stiff. It's not one that you can actually use. I think these are just to decorate and just put on the table. I mean, if you were to use this one, you have to find a way to make it softer. It's not my favorite. I like the style, but you can't really use it. This one is good to just use to decorate. I don't feel like it's soft like these ones to like use it. So let's get started, and I can show you what I did here. So these white and gold fake candles I got from a thrift store, and then these three I got them from a store called At Home, and it comes with a remote and you can turn it on and off. I just love how it works together. And then obviously I have my poinsettias here. And these little Christmas trees that I got from the dollar store. So I got these beautiful placemats that have sparkles, and that just brings you into that Christmas spirit. I love it. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. That's all I have for you today. Let me know if you think that blue is a color that you can bring to Christmas. I feel like many people like to use like the red and the greens. I personally like to use the nude colors when it comes to decoration, and then I can put a little bit of colors here and there. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not yet done so, and also hit that like button and the notification bell. Merry Christmas to you and your family, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and upcoming New Year holiday. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
I decided to add these beautiful little tree branches in the plate just to give it that Christmas look. I felt like it was a little bit blank, and I love this final look.